Joshua Daniel and Nate Scribbles, and that was made number 5, Nathaniel Thomas for Tornadoes. Can we ask those persons in front of the posters to stand beside the judging area? We only need the 5 parents to be the judges.